Hey guys, I just wanted to say a quick welcome and hello to all the group members to Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. My name is David Reed. I created the group. I've been an artist, I've been an illustrator. I've been drawing for over 30 years. I love it, and now I love making tutorials, and I'm so glad that there's a place for just tutorials. So if you've been here a while, then you already know the rules. If you're new, please, the two things that I really keep an eye on is please just don't post what are they called? Time-lapse videos. No time-lapse videos, just tutorials. Because everyone here just wants to like learn, and I don't feel like you can really learn from time-lapse videos. They're just kind of fun way to show off your art. And also, the second thing is don't just show off your art on the group wall. Don't post just your artwork on the group wall. Post it in one of the threads. I'm going to make more of them if you guys want. Or we can keep the one thread going because that's doing pretty well and people are still posting artwork to it. So if you want to post your artwork, please go to the show off your artwork thread and then post it under there. And I go through and look at each one. I give critiques, and maybe we'll do like a specific critique thread as well, because I like giving critiques, as you guys probably already know. So I think that's about it. Welcome. I can't believe how much the group has grown. I appreciate all of you. I thank you for watching my videos, and I thank you for all the other tutorial makers for uploading your videos, your tutorials here. I just always felt like in other groups, they're not really that tutorial friendly. Like you can post them, but you're not supposed to post links. So I just wanted to make a place where you can definitely post links to your tutorials. And also if you do a Udemy class, if you do Skillshare classes, those are fine too, because people can always do free trials, things like that. Another thing that I'm seeing is like a lot of times people are trying to slip by the rules so they can post like an ad for like brushes or an ad for like different things, like selling things. I mean, if I'm not sure what it is, or if I don't know what's going on, or if I don't feel like it's a tutorial, or if I don't feel like it's a question that's you can't get the answer if you just do a quick Google search, then I'll probably just not let it in the group, because we kind of want to keep it like streamlined. Like I don't want it to get too crazy, because I'm the only mod. So I don't know, if you want to be a mod, I don't know, reach out to me. Maybe we can use some new mods. I don't really know. But yeah, but this is just a welcome to all the new folks and a hello to all the old folks. That's mean. Well, I'm old too, so I don't know. Now I'm just talking too much. So as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you guys in the next video, or next tutorial, or next welcome video. I don't know. I'm going to show you guys my new lemon. Actually, no, but it's a time lapse, so I guess I can't post it because I just talked about time lapses. Even though this really doesn't count. Maybe it does count. I don't know. All right. If you guys have time-lapse videos, time-lapse music videos, all the things that I'm going to say that I don't want on the group wall, post them under here. This is going to be the new place that you post time-lapse videos. Not on the wall, just here. Okay. I made this shirt. I printed it from everything from Procreate. So don't believe people when they say, oh, you have to do it in vectors. You don't have to do it in vectors. Just make it big and you'll be fine. That's like one of my pet peeves. Peace.